Namaste, viewers. It's Tuesday morning, March 18, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Benchmark indices started the week on a strong note, with the Nifty 50 rising 0.5% and BSE Sensex rising 0.46% on a day of supportive global cues. Both indices ended with notable gains on Monday, backed by sustained buying interest in financial, healthcare, and select metal stocks. Earlier in the day, tracking supportive global markets, key indices opened higher but witnessed some profit selling at higher levels. The initial uptrend was supported by a rebound in global markets and positive domestic macroeconomic indicators, such as a GDP growth of 6.2% for Q3 FY25 and a decline in February CPI inflation to 3.61%. But despite upbeat global cues, the BSE Sensex started the day on a tentative note and touched a low of 73,796, down 33 points in opening deals. The BSE benchmark, however, soon firmed up and rallied to a high of 74,376, up 400 points from the day's low. Both the high and the low of the day were recorded in the first hour of the trade. The BSE Sensex thereafter consolidated and finally closed 341 points higher at 74,170. The NSE Nifty 50 index opened with a negative gap of 44 points at 22,353, but soon jumped into the positive zone. The NSE benchmark touched a high of 22,577 and eventually settled with a gain of 112 points or 0.5% at 22,509. Bajaj Finserv, SBI Life Insurance, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Trent, Axis Bank were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers included Britannia, Hero MotoCorp, Wipro, BPCL, and ITC. In the broader market, the BSE mid-cap advanced 0.8%, while the small cap ended unchanged. Sector-wise, Nifty Pharma and Healthcare led the gains with a 1.56% increase, followed by Nifty Metal. However, IT stocks like Infosys and Wipro remained under pressure, falling by 6% and 7% respectively over the past week. Shares of metal companies rallied on March 17, pushing the Nifty Metal Index up by nearly 1%, helping snap its two-day losing streak as dollar weakened amid America's looming threat of reciprocal tariffs and the prospects of a safeguard duty against cheaper steel import into India. The rise in the share prices of Adani Enterprises and Tata Steel were the top contributors in the positive uptick seen by Metal Nifty. Stocks to watch today: IndusInd Bank, HUL, Bank of Maharashtra, Ircon, Star Cement, Raymond Lifestyles, Shilpa Medicare, Aditya Birla Real Estate, Samvardhan Motherson International, NBCC India, Coffee Day Enterprises, Triveni Engineering and Industries, Morpon Laboratories, LIC of India, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, Religare Enterprise, and Gopal Snacks will be in focus on March 18 today. What now for today? On the daily chart, the Nifty 50 formed a bullish Marubozu candlestick pattern, indicating a continuation of the current trend. However, the upside appears to be capped at 22,620, while the downside is protected at 22,320. A breakout beyond either of these levels would provide a directional trend for the market. The market's near-term trend is expected to remain stable with a positive bias, though global uncertainties and trade tensions could impact sentiment. In the US overnight, US stocks gained for a second straight session on Monday as investors sought bargains after the Nasdaq and S&P 500 four-week tumble and assess the latest economic data. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 353 points or 0.85% to 41,841. The S&P 500 gained 36 points or 0.64% to 5,675. And the Nasdaq Composite gained 55 points or 0.31%, 17,808. Brent crude is trading around $70.898 a barrel. Gold is rupees 88,400 per 10 grams, and silver is 1,700,000 per kilogram. That's it for today, my dear viewers. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. And if you're enjoying our content, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.